I think since our acquisition of Kensho Technologies in 2018, S&P really has been harnessing the power of AI and machine learning techniques in construction of our thematic indices. And Kensho is like one of the main pillars of how we construct thematic indices, especially around themes that are more innovative, that are more up and coming. So like think about virtual reality or distributed ledger or electric vehicles and things of that nature, right? These topics initially, at least, were back in the day, they were primarily focused in the realm of active investing. And I think the understanding there was that these are new technologies. The data is hard to come by. Revenue is not exactly crystallized. And also these technologies tend to span multiple sectors, subsectors. So the traditional way of classification of companies into specific sectors and subsectors might not always align with what you're looking at. Kensho really, or really AI in general, has been helpful in this situation because it helps us really connect the dots because now we have a lot of data and we also have the algorithms to process this data. And Kensho is a poster child for this. Broadly, I mean, I am going to be simplifying this quite a bit, but Kensho broadly, you can think about it as it takes an input of the industry model, which is a definition of what you want to include in your theme. And then from there, it parses all the SEC filings from all US listed companies to pick the stocks that are most relevant to a theme. It does this by employing NLP techniques because it's just not about a company saying, we are using artificial intelligence. It is also the context in which it is being used. Is it used in the context of the company saying that they want to focus in that area, they see growth prospects in their business area? These kind of context is very important, and this is where the algorithms help. Again, adding to this point, I think AI, as we all understand it, is a productivity multiplier, efficiency enhancer. So the benefit of using AI for this process is, of course, it is scalable, but also it removes the subjectivity that is introduced generally when you do this kind of a laborious manual process of sifting through text data to pick the stocks that are most relevant.